Welcome to Fancy as the show that's constantly finding new and inventive ways to use vodka. Picture it. It's 1994 and it's the first day back from spring break. Your sunburn really pops against your custom airbrush t-shirt. It's got dolphins majestically jumping out of the sea over your name written in hot pink bubble letters. Life is good. I'm Emily Nejad, and today we're making airbrush art edible with Fancy Sprinkles Jelly Hues. I have an entire drawer of airbrush pigments that I don't even use anymore because I realize you can make your own using Jelly Hues and vodka. You mix a couple drops of Jelly Hues with vodka. Don't worry, you're not gonna be able to taste the vodka. And if you're concerned about feeding this to children, just know that the alcohol is going to evaporate and it's gonna leave the color behind. Also, it's spring break. Maybe tell your kids to loosen up a little bit, okay? For every treat that I can airbrush, we are gonna take shots. What could go wrong? I got purple loaded into the gun. I'm feeling lucky. Let's do this thing. All right, so we got a little bit of purple on there. Let's try red. Oh, that looks good. It works. I think it's shot o'clock. Is it shot o'clock? We got a fondant covered cake. I am not a fondant girly, okay? I'm a buttercream broad. We're going to put a stencil over top, and then we're going to airbrush over it. Will it work? Stay tuned to find out. Oh. Cute! Smooth, baby. Can you airbrush royal icing? Got these black and white cookies. When I bought them, did I realize that half of them were black? Yes. Did I think about that you wouldn't be able to see the color on it? No, I did not. So we're just gonna see what happens. Ooh. That's cute. God, that was good. What was that one called? Okay, now you know how to airbrush basically anything you want. Buttercream, fondant, royal ice cream. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Not bad. Fancy tip, store-bought cupcakes meet continuous spray bottle. Just load up your airbrush pigment into your continuous spray bottle, point, and spray away.